Hi everybody, and welcome to 3D survey tutorials. In this video, we'll be looking at select and deselect features, which are used, for example, when you don't have enough time to generate a point cloud from all the images, or you just generally don't need to. To use the features, you first need to import the images. After that, you click on Maps and decide which area you want to be processing. When you know which images you want to be using, you click on Telemetry, and in the top right corner, you will see the Select, Deselect, and Toggle Text button. For example, let's say that you don't need half of the area. In that case, you first choose what area you don't want to be using, then you click Deselect and circle it with left mouse clicks, while confirming your decision with the right mouse click. I suggest you click the Toggle Text button to hide the text while doing this. You can also select the images by clicking the Select button and following the same process as before. We will see that selected images will be blue, and they'll also be checked in the list of images on the right, where images can also be selected manually. Now, only the selected images will be used in further processing. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you, and see you next time.